Welcome to Fanny Macbook. Now, do if you are an Apple user from a long time and if you have done repairs on your Apple, you might have come a term across corrosion or the motherboard is corroded, something like that. So, I will give you a typical example of how it looked like, why it happened, and what the technician generally do to fix it. Okay, so here, okay, this is the place where the corrosion is caught. I have made one small arrow. So this is there is a cap here. So there is a corrosion on this. So I'll put it under microscope and show you how it look like. Okay. So let me set this thing. Okay, I hope it's clear now. So this is how it look like when this is how a component look like when it has a corrosion on it. So this is the capacitor, and just beside that it is also possible kind of a capacitor only. Both are functional because this motherboard is working, but the problem is sometimes it's give a trouble. So there can be many problems. So this is one of them. So what generally technician do is they clean it. They first remove this capacitor, they throw it away, and they clean the whole area, and they put a capacitor from the donor board. Donor board is just like any other board. Like we have a lot of donor board here. Just this let us fix another old motherboard. So we take the components from this our donor boards and we replace it on this one, on this another motherboard. Now, so let me move it to understand more. Also, I will show you on the other board how it generally should look like. Okay. So there we go. So this motherboard is a dead motherboard, but it's a donor motherboard, and the component here which is working completely fine. So I'll show you how it look like under microscope. So you see, remember there is one IC here. This is the IC, and this is capacitor. Also, this is a capacitor. So there is a corrosion on that. So we'll remove this whole capacitor on that one and replace what we have on this donor board. Let me show you once again, and I will start the process of replacing the capacitors. You see. So what we generally use to remove those ICs is this kind of blower, which let us get heats up to like 600 degrees, depend on the component. Like if you are removing the capacitors, a small cap can be removed in 250 degrees, 300 degrees, it depends on that.